Dear student, in the last classes we had discussed the physical and chemical properties of the elements of group 50 along with the preparation and properties of dinitrogen, preparation properties and also the uses of dinitrogen. Today we start the preparation and properties of ammonia gas. प्रथम ammonia gas रो preparation और तार properties हमें पढ़िबा. ammonia gas first हमें पढ़िबा आर shape कोन, shape and size. In ammonia the nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. 3 hybrid orbitals contains unpaired electron and 1 hybrid orbital contain lone pair of electron or pair of electron, that is lone pair of electron which does not participate in bond formation. So the shape of the ammonia molecule is like pyramidal. This type of shape is called pyramidal shape and the bond angle is 107 degree. Ammonia acts as a base due to the presence of a lone pair of electron on nitrogen, so that it can donate its lone pair of electron to other substance. देखो जैसे कि ଗୋଟେ lone pair electron रहउची nitrogen ऊपर after bond formation nitrogen केटा bond करूची तीनटा bond करूची तीनटा bond कला परे भी तार रहउची excess of electron तार valence shell रे excess of electron रहउची जोटा कि ଗୋଟେ lone pair of electron रहउची so that it can donate its lone pair of electron to other substance. So according to Lewis concept, the substance which has a tendency to donate a lone pair of electron to other substance, jar power thibo or tendency thibo gote lone pair of electron other substance को donate करि परिबो ताको कोन कहंती Lewis base. So therefore ammonia is a base so that it react with acid to form salt. So it is only due to the presence of a lone pair of electron on the central atom or on a nitrogen atom. Then comes to the preparation of ammonia gas. Preparation of ammonia gas. First हमें पढ़िबा laboratory method of preparation. Laboratory method of preparation. In this method, how to prepare ammonia? First, the ammonium chloride when heated with slag like calcium hydroxide results in the formation of ammonia, calcium chloride and water. It is balanced as 2, 2, formed by heating ammonium chloride salt with the calcium hydroxide, or it is called as slag gland. This ammonium chloride is dried, or to get pure ammonia, because it is contaminated with water vapor. So in order to remove this water vapor, the ammonia gas is passed over quick line, that is calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is one of the dehydrating agent, because it has an ability to absorb or remove moisture. So ammonia gas is dried by passing over quick line. एटी आ गोटे क्वेश्चन आसे एग्जामिनेशन रे सादो गोटे क्वेश्चन आसे, व्हाई ammonia is not dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Calcium oxide or quicklime is a dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is also a dehydrating agent. Okay, so calcium oxide it is dried. In calcium oxide, ammonia is dried, but in concentrated sulfuric acid, ammonia is not dried, because the reason is ammonia is a base. Concentrated H2SO4 is a strong acid. So ammonia immediately react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form salt, ammonium sulfate. Therefore, concentrated sulfuric acid is not used for drying ammonia gas, because it reacts with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form salt. So this is the laboratory method of preparation. Next we have to study the other method of preparation of ammonia. Other method of preparation, the second method of preparation is the other method of preparation. When ammonium chloride is heated with sodium hydroxide, or by heating salt of ammonium chloride with sodium hydroxide, it also results in the formation of ammonia. This is the other method of preparation. In other method, we can prepare ammonia in various ways. When ammonium chloride is just heated with the sodium hydroxide, we can also get ammonia gas. Similarly, by heating ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate, by heating ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate, First, ammonium sulfate. If ammonium sulfate is heated strongly, it gives rise to ammonia plus ammonium bisulfate or hydrogen sulfate. Similarly, when ammonium phosphate is heated strongly, it gives rise to ammonia plus SPO3 plus H2. This is metaphosphoric acid. HPO3 is the phosphoric acid. So these are the other method of preparation of ammonia. And the most important method of preparation is the Haber's method of preparation. Haber's method of preparation. In this method, the fourth one is the Haber's method of preparation. In this method, nitrogen gas combines with hydrogen gas. At 500 degrees Celsius under the pressure of 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure, and in presence of catalysts like iron, in presence of molybdenum. So this is the iron is the catalyst and molybdenum is the promoter. It increases the efficiency of the catalyst ion. It gives rise to ammonia and heat is liberated. This reaction is reversible. This reaction is reversible and exothermic, and involves the less in the volume. In the left hand side, 1 volume of nitrogen and 3 volume of hydrogen. Left hand. In the right hand side, only 2 volume of ammonia gas. And it volume ta decrease hochi ko direction are in the forward direction. So this reaction is reversible and exothermic. So in order to get the maximum production of ammonia, in order to get maximum production of ammonia, the following conditions are necessary. First, we have to increase the concentration of nitrogen, either nitrogen or hydrogen or both, because according to the Lee-Chatelier principle, since the reaction is reversible and exothermic, it is also exothermic, reversible. So the equilibrium, in order to shift the equilibrium always in the forward direction, we have to increase either the concentration of nitrogen or hydrogen or both. That means to increase the concentration of either nitrogen or hydrogen or both. Can a reactant or concentration jodi badibo tale the reaction favors in forward direction. In forward direction, ammonia is formed. So to get ammonia, maximum production of ammonia, we have to increase the concentration of either nitrogen or hydrogen or both. Secondly, this reaction is exothermic in forward direction. So low temperature is favorable. Low temperature is favorable for production of ammonia. At low temperature, the equilibrium shift in the forward direction. Third, in the left hand side, there is 4 volumes of gas. In the right hand side, only 2 volume of gas. That means there is a decrease in volume from left to right or in the forward direction. Then volume ta decrease of co condition at high pressure. So high pressure is necessary for the equilibrium to shift in forward direction. And lastly, the catalyst is used. Since the reaction since the reaction undergoes at low temperature, so in order to increase the rate of reaction को increase करिया को हमको कौन यूज करिया को पड़ुची catalysis catalyst iron in presence of molybdenum is used to increase the rate of reaction or to establish the equilibrium in the reversible reaction. Therefore, the catalyst iron is used, and in this case, the molybdenum acts as the promoter, which increases the efficiency of the catalyst iron. So, this is the Haber's method of preparation. The reaction is simple, but the reaction conditions. What are the favorable conditions for the maximum yield or maximum production of ammonia?